Hello, coin collectors out there. Welcome back to the Big D Coins channel. Got two very exciting coins to share with you today. One of them is a quarter, one of them is a $50, and they both have depictions of Ellis Island on them. So we've got the 2017 America the Beautiful quarter right here on the left, and we have a commemorative $50 dated 1986 on the right here to commemorate the centennial of the Statue of Liberty. But also included on the reverse design right here is kind of some imagery representing the Ellis Island. So I figured it would be cool to make a video combining these two coins into one. Obviously the America the Beautiful quarter, this one will have much higher mintages than this one right here, and we'll get into that a little bit later. This one right here is also copper nickel clad. Both of them are, but they did make some other different metals for the commemorative Statue of Liberty 100th anniversary. So we'll get into that, but first let's go over this one right here. This one is part of the America the Beautiful series that started in 2010. This quarter right here is dated 2017, so it came out last year. The quarters that were featured in 2017 were the Effigy Mounds National Monument Quarter, the Frederick Douglass National Historic Site Quarter, the Ozark National Scenic Riverways Quarter, the Ellis Island National Monument Quarter, which is the one I've got right here, as well as the George Rogers Clark National Historic Park Quarter. As far as the mintages of this one right here go, there are 488 million of them that were made, split almost evenly between the Denver and the Philadelphia Mint. So these ones you can definitely get your hands on. As far as the mintages of them goes, they were made at both the Philadelphia and the Denver Mint. As I mentioned, there were commemorative silver coins that were made. You'll likely notice if you have one, if yours is particularly shiny. I have an example of a silver quarter right here, so we can kind of see the difference between a silver quarter, that's a commemorative one, and just your standard copper nickel clad one right here. So unfortunately these Ellis Island quarters aren't going to be worth anything more than face value unless you've got yours in very, very, very good condition. Now, as far as the design of the coin goes, the coin depicts an immigrant family approaching Ellis Island with a mixture of hope and uncertainty. The hospital building can be seen in the background. So that's what we're looking at right here. Many people are familiar with what Ellis Island represented and all the immigrants that passed through, so we'll skip kind of the historical background that I sometimes give on these quarters. Let's get into this one right here. This is the more valuable of the two by far. This one came out in 1986 and represented the 100th anniversary of the Statue of Liberty. So let's take a look at the obverse right now. So on the obverse, which would be this side right here, we see a ship of immigrants entering New York Harbor. It's actually on this side. I believe this side right here is the obverse of the coin. So we see a ship of immigrants entering New York Harbor, which is them right here. The skyline is circa 1913 with an image of the Statue of Liberty in the foreground and a rising sun in the background. So we're definitely got the obverse right here. This coin was made just in the year 1986, and the metal content of the coin that I have right here is just a standard copper nickel clad copper. So that would be the same metal content for your non-silver Kennedy $50 as well as your quarters dated 1965 and after. Now it does have a large diameter like most $50 do, so it has quite a lot of weight to it. It weighs 11.34 grams. Now on the reverse side of the coin right here, we see kind of a similar image that we see right here. On the reverse side, we see a family of immigrants witnessing a view of America from a pier or wharf at Ellis Island. Now in 1986, the Statue of Liberty $50 was one of 3 commemorative coins that was issued to celebrate the 100th anniversary of the dedication of the Statue of Liberty. So I might have messed that up a little bit earlier, but it's the 100th anniversary of the dedication of the Statue of Liberty. The 2 other coins included a silver dollar, a silver dollar, and a $5 gold piece. Now, to remind everyone of the current silver and gold prices, the current price of silver is $14.63 an ounce, so that's down quite a lot from historical highs, as well as gold is at $1,228 an ounce. So keep that in mind if you're looking at buying a coin online. There's no way that you'll be able to buy a coin for less than that. So if you're looking at what someone's selling for a silver $half on eBay and it costs less than $14, then that's definitely one of these coins right here. Now that gets me into the price of this one right here. Let's first talk about the original price of these coins. So these coins came out in two different types, We had the Denver Mint, which was a uncirculated, and then we had the San Francisco Mint, which had a proof version. Any guesses on what this one is right here? Well, this one has the S Mint mark on it, and you can see a shinier finish to it. If you look at the background, it's got kind of a little bit of a mirror to it, so we can kind of see myself a little bit in the fields of the coin. So this one right here is the San Francisco Mint proof coin. The pre-issuance price on this was $6.50. The regular price was $7.50. The final mintage of the 1986 S proof Statue of Liberty $half was $6,925,627. As far as the uncirculated Statue of Liberty $half, that mintages was much lower. They had a final regular price of $6 and a final mintage of 928,000 of those that were made. So 928,000 of the uncirculated were made at the Denver Mint. 6.9 million of the proof coins were made at the San Francisco Mint. As far as the prices, you can currently get these on eBay. You can get a San Francisco Mint coin like this one right here for around $10. Now that's not a drastic increase in value, as you kind of hear very often with some commemorative $half coins. So to remind you, the regular price when they sold was $7.50, and now fast forward from 1986 to 2018, you can buy one for $10. Now the silver coins, those were sell for $20 to $30. So keep that in mind when looking at the prices of these on eBay. Now, some other information you might find helpful as far as this coin. The $half was struck in proof and uncirculated versions, which I mentioned a little bit earlier. The proof coins were struck at the San Francisco Mint, and the regular were struck at the Denver. $half coins were sold individually or incorporated into two coin sets, including a silver dollar, a three-coin set, which included the silver dollar and the $5 gold coin, or a 6-coin set, which included proof and uncirculated coins of each version. So I imagine that 6-coin set originally probably cost a decent amount of money. Since this coin right here did not contain any precious metals, the pricing was the lowest for the program at $5 or $6.50 for uncirculated and proof versions during the pre-issuance. So you could get kind of a good deal on it. You could get a nice coin to your collection without spending a lot of money. So that's what I had to say about the 1986 Statue of Liberty / Ellis Island $half coin and the 2017 America the Beautiful Ellis Island coin representing the state of New Jersey. Thank you very much, everyone, for watching this video. Take care and best of luck coin collecting out there. Enjoy!